So today's pretty significant because we just had in Portland one of the largest snowfalls, and I believe my understanding is either 7 to 10 years. So it's been a while since we've had this much snow all at one time. For me, though, what makes it even more significant is I just discovered that this is the most snow that Kendra has ever seen, all at one time. So we need to go out there and check it out. Okay, as I said, we are getting a substantial amount of snow. Just heard on the news, they're saying right now, about 8 inches. Let's check it out. Gotta admit, it is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Holy cow, there's a lot of snow. Ah! Uh-oh, looks like a fallen tree. Because there's a lot of snow. I have a question. Would you like to build a snowman?
Me, yes.
Well, that's too bad because I'd like to throw a snowball.
I'm gonna do it.
Go. Ah! Snowball! Snowball! Oh! Hiya! Hiya! Bah! Would you like to build a snowman? Check that out. You gotta admit, it is beautiful. Alright, there's some footage of today's crazy snowstorm. What is today? The 11th?
Yep.
Or 12th? I don't know, whatever day it is.
It's 11.
It's the 11th, right? Yeah. Here is January 11th, 2017.